Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off Molotov Cocktail. It's a 19 shot by Phantom brand fireworks, as you see. And this is what the performance reads, or you can scan the QR scanner. But anyways, crackling orange break, crackle to green break, crackle to willow shell. But anyways, and this is what the tube layout looks like. As you see, pretty good, decent size, bore size. But anyways, let's demo off Molotov Cocktail, 19 shot by Phantom brand fireworks. All right, guys, here goes Molotov Cocktail, 19 shot by Phantom brand fireworks. Molotov Cocktail, 19 shot by Phantom. Really good cake. If you see it at Phantom, definitely pick it up.